In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create better presentations with Canva. Whether you're presenting at a professional meeting or crafting a school project, Canva offers a versatile platform to make your presentation stand out. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Canva's homepage. Once there, tap into the search bar and type in presentation. This will direct you to a variety of presentation options that Canva offers. It's a great place to start because it provides a foundation upon which you can build your customized presentation. After typing presentation and hitting search, you'll see a wide selection of templates pop up. These templates are specially curated to meet different aesthetics, themes, and presentation purposes, from sleek corporate designs to vibrant creative schemes. Browse until you find one that aligns with your vision. Remember, picking the right template is crucial as it sets the tone and personality for your entire presentation. Once you've found the perfect template, click. Customize this template. This action takes you into the Canva editor where the real fun begins. Don't worry, it's as easy as drag and drop. The editing workspace is intuitive and user-friendly, even if you're new to design. The key is to make the template your own while maintaining a professional, cohesive look. With the template open in the editor, start customizing the text. This involves replacing the placeholder content with your own words. Focus on the alignment and consistency of fonts and sizes to ensure readability and a polished overall look. Canva allows you to adjust all these settings with just a few clicks, giving you flexibility and control over your final product. Voila! You've created a stunning presentation using Canva. By utilizing these templates and customization features, you've not only saved time but also added a professional touch to your work. Make sure to review your slides once more to catch any small errors or adjustments before presenting. Mastering these steps enhances your creative presentations with both ease and effectiveness. Thank you for watching and happy designing.